Hey, math journey. Ever seen a huge equation and thought, where do I even start? Today, we're going to tackle an interesting equation and uncover the secrets behind those digits. Stick around, this solution is cooler than you think. X squared equals 2 raised to the power of y, plus 1,016,064. Where x and y are positive integers, we need to find a solution for x and y. Now, before we dive into solving this, take a moment to think about it. What jumps out at you? Can you spot any connections or familiar ideas? Even complex problems often have a simple starting point. Give yourself a few seconds to explore the possibilities, and then we'll solve it together. Alright, let's start with the big number. 1,016,064. At first glance, it looks intimidating, but let's break it down. We know that 1 million equals 1,000 squared. 16,000 can be written as 2 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 1,000. And 64 is 8 squared. Now, when we put it all together, we can see that 1,000 plus 8 squared equals 1,008 squared. So, 1,016,064 is actually 1,008 squared. Let's use this insight to rewrite our original equation. We have x squared equals 2 to the power of y plus 1,008 squared. Next, let's move 1,008 squared to the other side, giving us x squared minus 1,008 squared equals 2 to the power of y. This is a difference of squares, which we can factor as x minus 1,008 times x plus 1,008 equals 2 to the power of y. Now, because x and y are positive integers, both x minus 1,008 and x plus 1,008 must be powers of 2. So let's set them as x minus 1,008 equals 2 to the power of s. X plus 1,008 equals 2 to the power of t. Where s and t are non-negative integers, and t is greater than s. Let's subtract these two equations to eliminate x. This gives us x plus 1,008 minus x minus 1,008 equals 2,016. We get 2016 equals 2 to the power of t minus 2 to the power of s. If you factor 2016, you get 2 to the power of 5, multiplied by 63. This means 2 to the power of s is equal to 2 to the power of 5. And 2 to the power of t is equal to 2 to the power of 6, times 63. Let's solve for s and t. So we have s equals 5. And t minus s equals 6, giving us t equals 11. Now that we know s equals 5 and t equals 11, we can find y. Since y equals s plus t, this means y equals 16. With s equals 5, we substitute back to find x. After substituting, we get x minus 1,008 equals 2 to the power of 5 equals 32. So, x equals 1040. So there you have it. Our solution is x equals 1040. And y equals 16. What seemed like an overwhelming problem became manageable by breaking it down step by step. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Math Journey for more fun math adventures. Now that you've seen the answer, how did you do? Were you able to crack it? Let me know in the comments. And share this video with a friend who loves brain teasers to see if they can solve it without peeking at the solution.